In today's guide, you will learn how to upload videos on YouTube channel correctly, all right? Including how to place ads in the video the right way, and also how to optimize your title and subtitle for search engines so that your video don't just get discovered on YouTube alone, but also by Google, Bing, Yahoo, as on other search engine platforms. All right. So follow me. Let me put you through on every step you need to take to get that achieved. All right. The first step is to open your web browser and visit your studio. So I'll visit studio.youtube.com. See the link here. Once you are landed on this page, you need to start uploading the video which you have already created. Okay, so click on this upload button or click on create. Anyone can save and click on select files. Navigate to a folder in your computer where you save the video. Here I save the video in downloads. All right, and look at the video file, profitable keyword. I'll click on it and click on open. So once you do this, hold on for the video to be fully uploaded. Here, the uploading status is 1%. So you need to be patient. All right. But even as the video is uploading, you can fill your title and your description very well. All right. So I will walk you through on the right way to do this too. Then you can upload your thumbnail when you have already created it. All right. Please create custom thumbnail. Don't use the one suggested to you by YouTube. All right, on this page, you can see I have filled my title, which reads Free Amazon KDP Keyword Research to find out profitable keywords and make money on the platform. Whenever you are filling your title, you are creating a title, you need to be conscious of how you structure it. For example, Amazon KDP as a keyword, or will I say as words, are are high on demand in terms of search. I getting it. Then this make money is another keyword that people are searching for through YouTube and through Google. All right. So be intentional with how you create your title. Then let's get to the description. Please ensure that you fill your description correctly. And when you're filling your description, you have to be mindful of some words you have in it. All right? Make sure you fill some words that will rank in YouTube as well as in Google. People words that people are searching for in respect to the title. All right? Okay, let's read this for you to understand what I mean. So you need to optimize the description for search engine optimization. It reads, in this video tutorial, learn on free Amazon KDP keyword research to find out profitable keywords and make money on the platform. So this first line has already captured the title. So that is the first rule of getting optimized in Google search. All right. Then I kept on explaining. Then it says this Amazon KDP tutorial reviews everything you need to discover, everything you need to discover some words that can build your titles and subtitles around, that you can build your titles and subtitles around. So now look at this Amazon KDP tutorial. This is frequently searched words. All right. How you can find out some words that are frequently searched is you can use your YouTube or you can use Google. Let's try out with YouTube. So I'll click on this and be in incognito mode. Then I'll visit youtube.com. So I'm in incognito mode, which means that YouTube is not going to track my previous searches. So it assumes that I have not used YouTube before. So let's type some keywords in respect to the title I'm creating. Amazon KDP. Or if I type Amazon, okay, you can see on typing Amazon, you can see some keywords people are searching for. Amazon success tap swap code, Amazon success, Amazon KDP, Amazon KDP for beginners, Amazon KDP tutorial. So you need to make additional search before you write your description so that everything in that description will rank, because Google can pick that and drive traffic to that video, and also YouTube can pick that when people are searching. All right, so make sure that you optimized your description. So you must fill something in the description. Then inside this description, there's another part which is recommended videos. Ensure that related videos are being placed in the description, because sometimes when viewers come, they go down to the description to find out related videos. Okay, and then after watching that your main video, they can watch the ones that you have in the description. This helps when somebody is searching for a particular thing and you have some words in the description as well. So it has a lot of advantages. Okay, you can see the tags I feel here, Amazon KDP. Okay, this is something people search for. And you can see Amazon KDP tutorial. People search for it as well. And you can see self-publishing. So these are what people search for. So use hashtag in your description. Ensure that you have maximum of 3 hashtags. That makes it strong. Please don't fill everywhere with hashtags. 3 is okay. Then timestamps, very, very important. These are chapters based on the video you are creating. The first one must start from 0.00. What this means is 0 minutes, 0 seconds. Okay, this one is 41 seconds. That's 0041. And it stays niching down on Amazon KDP book title. Somebody may be on Google and search how to niche down on Amazon KDP book title. And because you have it as a chapter in your video, that is shown to the person. He clicks and he watches your video. Likewise, this one, 122 at 1 minute 24 seconds, I have another part of the video I talk about, another section of that video. And that is about how to use Amazon to discover profitable keywords. So somebody may come to YouTube and search for how to use Amazon to find profitable keywords. Because you have it as a chapter, it will be shown to that person. The person will end up watching your video. Also, on Google, somebody may search for that because you have it as a chapter in your video. The traffic will be driven from Google down to your video. So please maintain this when it comes to description. All right, the next section is the thumbnail. So upload your thumbnail. I expect you have already designed that. I use Canva to design myself. Click on this. Then I will click on it. It's in the downloads folder and click on open. You can see discover profitable keywords. Your thumbnail should, if you want to add words in your thumbnail, let it not exceed 5 or 6 words and make them bold. Okay, then playlist, very important. I'll click here. I have already created playlist, and that is writers and publishers tutorials. So I'll click on that and click on done. All right, then here it's not made for kids, very important. When you are creating your video, select the option no, it's not made for kids. Please don't select that it is made for kids. If you select that, that means YouTube will not show ads on your video when you have reached the minimum requirement for monetization. All right, so this place is altered content. No, I don't have any altered content. Okay, then here you can see this is tag area is very important. So I have to fill some keywords. First, you start from here. All right, fill some words that are contained in the main title. Then before you can take some suggested words. All right, I have a vidIQ extension here, so that's why it's suggesting this for me. So you can still install it. So be strategic in filling this. So you can see as I'm filling it, this is ranking. All right, is grading me based on what I have in the title and in my description. Okay. Then another one is make money. All right, that's another keyword in the title. I can take further steps and go and copy this my title. Since I've feed my own, I need to use an AI tool to help myself. So it will help me discover more keywords. And that is what they call rapid tags. Okay, you can see the web link, rapidtags.io. Then I'll click here. Then I'll paste it and then I'll search. So it will bring up some keywords for you. So you filter down. I've added this. And if you know some that you have already added, you will remove them. All right. So I've added this. So just sort them out, filter some things out, and then you copy and paste. Okay. So let me copy this, then get there and then scroll down to the keywords area, to the tags area. Okay. I'll paste it here. All right, this shows that it has exceeded, so I have to cut off some things. Some of those keywords, I will remove this. Then I will remove this. It's okay. It's now within 500 characters. So you scroll down and then proceed to the next page, which is by clicking on next. Okay, so here is monetization. So I'll click here and I'll select on because I want to monetize this content. All right, so because this video is more than 8 minutes long, I need to place ads in it. So I have the option to have up to 3 ads in the video. So I'll click on review placement. Then, okay, the system has already placed some ads for us in some positions. But if you don't like the positions, you can drag and place in a new place of your choice. Though YouTube will, most cases, do what they have in their mind, all right, but they allow you to place that manually. Okay, in some cases, you may have just 2 ads in that video, and because you are given the option to add manually, just take your cursor to where you want to have it, then click there, and then click on add break. All right, so once you do that, it will be placed where this arrowhead is. It's as simple as that. Okay, but 3 is okay for me, so I'll click on continue. So click on next. Then here, come down here and check this, that your video is clean, so it doesn't have any controversial issues, sensitive events, and the rest. Then come here and click on submit rating, then click on next. So here you can see the option for add subtitle, tag products. I don't want to add subtitle. The product should be shown automatically. So I don't have any specific products I want to select. Then add an end screen. Yes, I like using that. So I'll click here and then select my previous video for the end screen to, for me to use the template of that end screen. All right, so I'll click here and change the video. So I will search for any video on Amazon KDP and have it there because I have some videos on that title already. Okay, so I will select this one. I want to use this. Then after you selected any video you want to appear at the end screen, you may need to play. Okay, so let me play this one. They know that contents are helpful and by directions. So hit that up, okay? Hit the one that points up. So learn more on how to grow and make more money on Amazon KDP. Consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time. So everything is set. So I'll click on save. Then click on next. Then click on next. You can see copyright no issues, as suitability suitable for us based on your rating. All right, so click on next. Then here select public and click on publish. And here we are good to go because my video is now published. So this is how you take it step by step to publish a video on YouTube. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover technology, which cuts across so many areas, including YouTube education, how to use iPhone, how to use Android, how to use different computers, and self-publishing. So there are a lot you will learn when you subscribe to this channel, okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up, the finger that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful. If you don't do that, there is no how the system knows that it's a helpful content. So please hit it before leaving. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Does it really solve the problem that brought you here? Or you need something extra? I want to hear your say in the comment, please, okay? To learn more on how to succeed on YouTube, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.